Will my homeowner's insurance give me a problem if I transfer my home to a trust? I'm estate planning attorney Valerie Zammitti, helping families in New York and New Jersey. If you have any questions for us, please drop them as we try to answer as many as possible. We're here to educate everyone for free in hopes that we can save many families by doing their planning and taking those steps prior to a what-if scenario creeping up in their lives. Your insurance company should be okay with your home being transferred to a trust. In this instance, we're talking about a revocable living trust. When you are creating that trust, you should be able to add it as a additional insured. An additional insured on your policy should be no problem. I have only heard of one example in 17 years where a family had some concerns and had some difficulty, I should say, in obtaining a homeowner's insurance policy on a home they were purchasing in the name of the trust. Granted, the company they were using, I was not familiar with, so it was not one of the more highly rated insurance companies. Again, if you have a revocable living trust, you should make your homeowner's insurance aware of any change in title so that they can add the trust as an additional insured. Hope this information is useful. You didn't mind the pop-up before, and please share. We'd appreciate it, and others will too. Valerie Zammitti, estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey. Be well.